allow your eyes to gently close. And as they do, bring your awareness to your breath, breathing in and out through your nose, just noticing your breathing. Don't try to change anything right now. Just pay attention to the rise and fall of your chest as you inhale and exhale. And as you do, your body starts to relax and soften, and all of the distractions and the noise that has been taking up space in your mind slowly starts to fade away in this moment. All there is you. You've been carrying so much. You feel the weight of the world on your shoulders. And now it's time to release all of that so that you can truly connect with yourself. This is your opportunity to stop the noise, connect with your breath, and decide who it is that you are. Perhaps you know who it is you've wanted to be. You've spent so much time imagining what it would be like to step into your true self, feeling connected with what brings you peace and joy. Now, in this moment, it is your opportunity to embrace that feeling. Right now, you can decide to be whoever you want to be and to feel however you want to feel. It doesn't matter who you were yesterday. What matters is right now, and this change that is upon you. You may have been feeling hopeless or worried about judgment, worried about how you step into this new version of yourself. But now is your opportunity to answer to your soul. Quiet the noise and listen. Listen to that voice inside of you. What are you feeling? What unanswered call can you answer now? You don't have to wait till tomorrow or a month from now, or when the timing feels perfect to change. You can change right now. You can decide to feel empowered, and you can decide to allow that feeling of empowerment to be who you are. Your past is full of beautiful lessons if you choose to reflect on it. But that doesn't mean you have to stay with it and feel stuck inside of its constraints. Let what you have learned nurture you and take you forward now. This is your time. This is your moment. Allowing yourself to move forward on a path that resonates with your soul is not only a gift you give to yourself and to others, but it is a right, and you deserve it because aligning with who you are allows you to move forward into the world feeling hopeful, capable, and with a sense of calm and joy. The longer you wait to step into who you really are, the longer you are waiting to be truly fulfilled. You can be brave now and decide to release what doesn't serve you and step into a new version of yourself. And only you get to decide what that looks like. So take a few moments now to just breathe. Perhaps you'd like to reflect on your past and where you've come from and how all of those moments have led you to this moment right now, where you are ready to redefine what it means to be you, to release limitations that you have set and imposed on yourself, to release worry of how others will judge you, to fully embrace this brave and beautiful version of yourself that you are now becoming. Can you see it? Can you see the possibilities? If you decide to make a change now, these possibilities light you up. You are feeling encouraged and you are feeling brave, and it is all coming from inside of you because you know your worth and you know deep down what you deserve. It is in the deciding to become who you are meant to be that you begin to transform. It's that simple. Believing that you are worth stepping into your most aligned version of yourself. Visualize what it would look like for you to make this change and fully step into your most realized self. What would it look like to be authentically you? You can have this version of yourself. You can live in full authenticity. It is okay to change. It is okay to release what no longer serves you. You can change and grow and become what you have always longed to be. This can be very simple. It's as simple as connecting with your soul and following your purpose. Breathe into this space. Feel as energy flows within you and around you. And as that energy flows, it touches each and every one of your cells, transforming them. You are ready to go into the world transformed, into this version of yourself that is new and fresh and has released the baggage of your past and of what no longer serves your purpose. You deserve this freedom. Enjoy this gift you are giving yourself, as it is a life-changing gift. Allow the energy to keep moving within you and around you as you spend a few moments reconnecting with your breath. Now, who you are as you prepare to open your eyes is not the same person you were when you first closed them. And as your mind and body start to reconnect with your physical world, allow your eyes to slowly open. And look upon your surroundings with new eyes as a person who is showing up for themselves, and embrace the change that you wish to see within you and around you as this new you enters